Lakebottom! Yeah! Lakebottom!
Dear Mom, playing horseshoes is fun, but it's a lot easier when the horse isn't wearing them. One last toss till total butt slop humiliation.
One's all I need to crush you, McGoon. I hope you enjoy losing, McGee.
Buttsquat, he's the man. If he can't do it, McGee can.
Final round of the zipline horseshoe playoffs. Who'll win a trip to the fabulous prize shed?
Pick a prize. Any prize. Like these false teeth. Ow! A little help here!
Out of the way, loser.
Low blow. Here's another one.
It's a ringer! McGee wins!
Couldn't have done it without you, butt slop.
Choose anything you want, Kemper.
Nope. Ew. And no. Whoa! I picked this!
Ew! A moldy horse head? That's gross, even for Lakebottom. Lakebottom's got way grosser stuff than that.
Come on, Suze. I don't need their stinky lame-o prizes. I've got a case full of real trophies.
Yeah? But none of those trophies is a moldy horse head. Yeah! Okay.
I like your trophy, McGee, even if it stinks.
It doesn't stink.
Lunchtime! Come get your boiled skunk! Oh, no, stinky! Oh.
Huh?
Where am I? This isn't the shed. I gotta hide!
It talks?
My trophy just went from awesome to fant-awesome-amazing!
I'm a trophy?
Oh, yeah! I picked you. I'm McGee.
Well, color me flattered. Flea Biscuit's the name.
After hanging around so long, you must be starving.
Food! I'm starving!
That might explain the whole starving thing.
That might explain the whole stinking thing, too.
Children playing with a mutilated horse head is a beautiful thing.
Disgusting, but at the same time, adorable.
Hey, McGee! Look at all my awesome, gorgeous, expensive trophies! My lame, pathetic, worthless trophies. That moldy horse head is repulsive, disgusting, stinky, and it will be mine!
I brought you some Betty Bye tea.
Thanks, Squirt. This really hits the spot.
You mean it really hits the floor?
Come on, time to hit the sack.
Night, Flea Biscuit.
Night, campers!
You're the best trophy ever.
Thanks for picking me, McGee. I was afraid this would happen! McGee, wake up! It's coming!
No, Rosebud, I didn't eat the couch. It was Squirt. Flea Biscuit, where are you going?
I don't know! I gotta get away!
Listen, reindeer, do you think it's Santa?
It's too late! We've gotta hide! Hurry!
What do you think?
Sure ain't Santa!
I've been a good boy this year.
Is that?
Flea Biscuit's body?
It's found me!
What was that about?
What was I thinking? Of course it would find me! I'm doomed!
Your body is very talented.
No, it's not! I can't go back, McGee! You don't know the awful things it'll make me do!
Easy, pal. He's got to go through us first.
That's what I'm afraid of. If my body can't have me, it'll take another head instead!
But I use my head for many head-like things.
Okay, if he wants a head, we'll give him one.
What?
Places, everyone. This is not a rehearsal. All right, Armand, action!
I shall give the performance of a lifetime, much as I did as Shrub number 3 in my elementary school's production of Sally Salamander's horrifying tale, Shills in Shrubtown. Nay, nay, nay.
Here it comes.
Ah, bonjour. Welcome to Lakebottom's House of Heads. What every pretty pony is wearing this spring? Pure pumpkin perfection.
See? What did I tell you?
Of course, and no pumpkin for monsieur. Ah, the bucket look. So you. Gelatine, fashionable and delicious. Mwah.
I think he's buying it. Put up your hooves, horse meat.
This isn't working, McGee. You have to let it take me.
Listen to the horse.
Nice, horsey.
No, it's happening. I can't look.
Everyone stay cool. My head comes off all the time.
Mine doesn't.
It's okay, guys. My body will show your bodies the ropes. Lesson 1, stay out of the lake.
See? There's no choice, McGee. You've got to give me up.
No, there's still a chance. Maybe you're right. Sorry, Flea Biscuit. Okay, horse. Your head is all yours.
You mean all mine? Good luck with the back end, bottom losers.
Easy, horsey. Let's not lose our heads over this. Come back here with those heads.
You don't know what you're dealing with, kid. You better bring me back.
Stuff it, horsehead. Hey, Suze, I got McGee's weird, smelly horse trophy.
Took you long enough. Ew! Why did you want it again?
Oh, phew, this thing does stink. Bye-bye, horsey.
Wow!
Uh-oh.
Wait, did you get me a pony? Take it back, I don't want a pony.
I don't have your smelly old head anymore. No offense.
Ew! You did not just put me with the gross zombie and the stinky hairball. Hello? Can I be upgraded to first class?
Look, Princess, it's no treat being saddled with you either.
Get your ear out of my face!
We're too late. The body got here first.
McGee!
Flea Biscuit.
My body is struck again. We've got to stop it.
Oh, we'll stop it all right. Your body forgot one thing. 2 heads are better than none.
Oh, horsey! You can't get me, horsey! Maybe we could settle this over a shiny red apple?
Hey, wait, Brett! Why don't you come play horseshoes with me? Here, horsey.
This is all my fault. Your friends are losing their heads because of me.
Don't worry, Flea Biscuit. We're taking them back. Together.
Anytime now!
Whoa!
Lean forward, McGee. Dig in your heels. Atta boy.
This is worse than the Burfinator at Ride World.
Hold on, McGee!
You see? Evil.
Would you stop it, horse? I'm trying to give you back your head. Yeah, there. I know it's scary without a head. Just ask Buttsquat.
I may not have a body, but I still have ears.
Steady, boy. Don't be afraid. A head needs his horse. I mean, a horse needs his head.
Oh, no. Here it comes. Here it comes.
This might not have been such a good idea.
Well, you might be right, Gretch.
Good job, McGee. That was using your head.
You know what they say. You gotta use it or lose it.
Oh, no. Not this. Anything but this.
McGee, what have you done?
See? It's so horrible, I can't even look. My body wants me to tap dance, and it's a terrible dancer.
This is why you were so scared? Come on!
fun!
Actually, he's pretty good.
Yeah, check it out. You rock.
Hey, what do you know? My body's been practicing while I was gone. I am good.
Hello! Still waiting!
Rehead us and make it snappy. Oh, let's go. I have a splitting headache.
That's odd, Susie. I always thought of you as more a pain in the neck.
You can keep your loser trophy, McGee. So long, bottom dweebers!
You want to tell him?
Let them figure it out. Big finish, flea biscuit! Dear Mom, Western days got a little out of hand. What's the best way to clean raccoon drool off a cowboy hat?
Happy Western days!
It's a celebration, partner.
Thanks, partner. Or should I say, ma'am?
It was the last costume left.
Pretty. Anyways, I love Western days. I mean, I reckon Western days are the best. Time's a wasting, cowpokes.
Yeehaw! We're not really going to poke any cows, are we?
Giddy up!
Yeehaw!
Ow!
This wasn't part of my job description. I don't get paid enough for this.
Oh, yeah!
Oops.
And here's a song I wrote when I was just a wee buckaroo.
Sorry, beans make my bum rumble.
Ah, do me a favor and point your rumble bum the other way.
Cool! Thanks for the tip, Gretch.
Well, it's been a good old West day, but now it's time for bed.
Not so fast, McGee. It is your turn to take the garbage to the trash shed.
How far's the trash shed?
Not so far.
Aw,
And remember, make sure you lock it up. We don't want raccoons.
what's the big deal? Fuzzy tails, little robber masks. Raccoons are like the cutest bandits ever.
That may be true where you are from, but this is Camp Lakebottom. And the raccoons that live in these woods are ferocious bandits.
Okay, fine. I'll lock up the trash.
Good.
Oh, I gotta be getting close by now. Oh, man, this is gonna take about 1,000 million years. Or I could just finish it up in the morning. What's the worst that could happen? Oh, yeah, right. Ferocious raccoons.
McGee, you remember to lock up the trash.
Yes, I remembered to lock up the trash. And I'll do it first thing tomorrow morning. Up and at 'em, cowpokes!
What happened?
I'm guessing McGee happened.
So, McGee, is there something you'd like to tell me?
You have lovely eyes when you're angry?
Oh, why, thank you. Maybe something about the garbage?
Oh, that! Funny story. That bag was huge and the mountain was huger and my tummy hurt and the dog ate my homework and I...
Look at the eyebrow. The eyebrow never lies.
It's so big.
If the garbage stays in the camp, the raccoons will find it, and they will keep coming back.
Okay, my bad. I'll clean it up. Much obliged for the help, partners.
No problem. Oh, and by the way, the whole cowboy talk thing, totally not getting annoying. Yet.
It's getting dark, so I'll stash the trash in the mess hall till morning. Oh, darn, I've torn my dress. All done.
Probably just really big squirrels.
Black Patch.
Hello, Rosebud. I knew that one day you'd finally make a mistake and I'd sniff you out.
We don't want any trouble. Why don't you go find another camp to terrorize?
If it's garbage you're looking for, I hear that Camp Sunny Smiles has excellent trash. I believe the Garbage Gazette called it putrid and vomit-inducing.
Yeah, I hate just hanging around.
Keep the dirty clothes off our campus!
Sasquatch to the rescue!
Come on, fellas. Let's be gentlemen about this.
Oh, my word.
They're eating all the food in the kitchen!
See you tomorrow night.
New camp rule. Everyone must be inside before the sun goes down.
No fair.
Way to go, McGee.
Dagnabbit! There's not much point to summer vacation. Even you can't stay up past your bedtime, shucks. Maybe they won't even come back.
You're safe for now. Black Patch goes away when the sun comes up.
What gives?
A long time ago, I used to feed the little raccoons the table scraps. Oh, how they loved my cooking. Oh, just like you all do. Then one day, I accidentally mixed some military-grade plutonium into my cupcakes. And when the raccoons ate the scraps, boom! They turned into the foul beasts of the nether regions.
Don't blame yourself, Rosebud. That could happen to anyone.
I'm hungry. What are we going to do without food?
And how am I going to keep my boyish figure? I'll wither away.
Don't worry, compadre. We can eat these here red pickle things.
McGee!
Whoa!
Not pickles, no, my funny-looking friend. The world's hottest peppers. One bite will set your insides on fire.
But there's nothing left to eat.
Ah, what do you mean, nothing?
Who wants zombie soup? Mmm, zesty.
Whoa, up there, cook lady. I've had it up to my britches with those low-down bandits. Now listen up, gang. This here camp is ours, and I aim to defend it. I'm the one who got us into this mess. I'm the one that aims to fix it. Now, who's with me? Or we can try the zombie soup. That's more like it. I say it's high time we stand up to Black Patch and his gang and take our camp back.
Sounds good, but how?
With the one thing they didn't eat.
Be careful, McGee. These peppers will burn you blacker than the campfire marshmallow.
Yes, ma'am. That's exactly what I'm counting on. Get everybody in position? Come and get it, garbage breath!
I hope you're cooking us up something real special. Me and the boys is hungry. Well, looky here, boys. The little hombre is all by his lonesome.
Size isn't everything, you overgrown garbage gobbler!
Okay, tough guy. Now you get it! Oh, watch out, boys. He got a banana.
This banana's gonna make you split! Now!
Ambush! Okay, tough guy. Now you get it.
Not if you get it first!
Looks like McGee's in trouble. Time for Plan B.
Plan B? We will have to do some thinking to come up with a Plan B.
out of ammo. Help!
I'm coming, McGee! Things are about to heat up!
Not bad.
Keep on running, Pepperbutt! And don't let me catch you round these here parts again.
Well, you did it, Sheriff.
Nah, we all done did it.
And is this Western talk all done did too?
Yeah, I reckon so.
That's right, 'cause tomorrow's Space Day!
Dear Mom, camp has really changed me. I'll never call anyone chicken again. What is up with that chicken? He's been crowing all night. That's it, pal! You cock-a-doodled your last due!
What's up, McGee? Get lost on the way to the outhouse again?
That cluckhead has woken me up every night this week! What? This thing squawks all night and now it wants to sleep? Time to scramble your eggs, chicken.
Actually, that's a rooster. They don't lay eggs.
Whatever. Ha! Wow, how'd you like that, bird brain?
Not so much.
Guys, be careful! You're scaring it!
I better not hear another peep out of you. No chicken messes with McGee.
Rooster.
Whatever.
Something tasty, kitchen. Ate all the mattress popcorn, knocked Sawyer's block off, and tried to make a Sasquatch omelet.
It was terrifying. And conditioning.
Giant egg goop, licking the popcorn. We may be dealing with a were-chicken.
You campers didn't happen to run into a wild chicken last night, did ya?
Does a mutant rooster count? So, one of you may already carry the were-chicken curse.
A were-chicken? That's crazy, even for Camp Lakebottom.
Crazy. Prepare yourselves for a terrifying tale from the old country. Long ago, a farmer in the village of Frozen Cold was attacked by his chickens under an egg moon. That night, the farmer went through the change. He became a half-man, half-chicken monster, doomed to peck the night away as a were-chicken. The only way to reverse the curse is a potion made with the creature's own tail feather.
Yikes! We'll be keeping an eye on you.
We're not taking the blame for that psycho cluckhead. Gear up, bottom dwellers. We're going on a chicken hunt. Rooster. Whatever. Buttsquat.
McGee.
Susie, Gretchen.
Squirt!
What's the matter, Buttsnot? Take a wrong turn at Dorksville?
We're postering for Camp Sunny Smiles 3D Monster Movie Night.
Hey, you guys should come. Oh, but it says here no bottom dwellers. Too bad.
Wild horses, good
not horses?
This popcorn is great.
Will you please stop eating the bait? It is good. All right, time to catch ourselves a were-chicken. We'd have more luck if you weren't still loudly chewing popcorn!
Aw, cute!
Not so cute.
Gotcha! Now we wait till it turns into a were-chicken. Rooster, whatever.
This popcorn trail is delicious.
I can't believe you got us lost.
Me? You're the one who wanted to put up all the posters.
Huh. I'm gonna find my own way back to camp. You can stay here and eat dirty popcorn all night.
Here and eat dirty popcorn on you. Wait for me!
What was that?
Probably just your brother and his jammies. I see you, McGee! Monster, chicken, razor claws, proud, powerful beak.
And it took my tiara!
How will everyone know you're a princess?
I don't get it. The rooster's still locked up. Hey, gang, what'd I miss?
My tiara!
The popcorn!
The were-chicken!
But I'm not the...
I knew it was you. I told you we would be watching you. Take him away, boys.
Come on, you guys, this is crazy. I'm not the were-chicken.
Oh, sure. Just taking a midnight tiara stroll, were we?
I woke up hungry, went for popcorn, and found Susie's crown thingy.
Relax, McGee. The moment you turn chicken, I bonk you with my mallet, pluck your tail feather, and pop it in this bottle to finish the antidote. Easy peasy. And if the antidote doesn't work, we make hearty camper McGee noodle soup. Also, easy peasy.
That sounds yummy.
He's changing!
Ooh! Do I have time to get my camera?
Come on, guys, it was just a piece of popcorn.
Oh, it's only a matter of time.
Oh, no! Stay back! I think I'm starting the change. Here it comes!
Ew!
Buttery.
Gotcha. I couldn't resist.
Look! You're not going to fall for another one of your tricks.
No joke this time! Turn around!
Now that's a chicken.
That's no chicken, that's Gretchen! Heads up! Buddy, what are you doing? Go the other way! I tried to warn me.
Time for plucking.
Squirt, get me out of here! Rosebud, I'll need the antidote.
All it needs is the butt feather.
Thanks. Now to Camp Sunny Smiles.
Ooh! While you're over there, see if they have any waffles.
I got a feeling that Gretchen is after the only other monster more evil and squawky than she is. My sister.
Dun, dun, dun.
The 3D in this movie is supposed to be totally in your face.
Hello! Start the movie!
Uh-oh, this movie is about to have a giant chicken in it. No spoilers.
It's like it's coming right at us.
be a pain in the butt, but she's still my sister, so can you not hurt her?
Boring. Fast forward to the good stuff.
Whoa! Egorama Splatovision!
Whoa, Gretchen, whoa!
Is it me, or does that actor riding the chicken look like my brother?
Yeah, right! Your dorky brother could never ride a monster chicken! Wow! It's almost like you can reach out and touch them!
Hey, pick your own nose. You want some popcorn? It's got special topping.
Gretchen, you okay?
You've got to try this popcorn.
The movie was lame, but that 3D was intense.
How come Nerdling or Gretchen gets to be in a movie and I don't?
I'm getting good. No!
I'd make a way better chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck.
Man, that is one crazy chicken. Rooster, whatever. Dear Mom, I knew the wildlife here at Lakebottom would be different, but this is nuts. That's when the voice said, "Get out now! The killer pineapple is inside the outhouse!"
That almost scared the life back into me.
I'm never gonna eat pineapple in the outhouse again.
Nothing? Come on, Gretch. We're camping on Screech Island. There's gotta be something here that scares you.
Nope.
How about this?
Nope.
This?
Nope.
Now that's gotta scare you.
Nope. Like I said, nah.
Chipmunk?
I think I'll hit the sack.
What was that all about? Whatever. Good night.
Rise and scream, campers!
Well rested and ready to explore.
Didn't sleep a wink.
Now that's scary.
Whoa! Who wrecked our stuff?
Hello, little guy. Want a peanut?
It did this!
Gretch, that's a chipmunk. You know, fuzzy, cute, chipmunky.
Don't let the cuteness fool you. Look into its demonic eyes.
Gretch, there's no way a chipmunk...
Isn't it obvious? That stripy creep tore up our camp!
Get real. Something a lot huger than a chipmunk made this bite.
Don't you get it? They're thieves, hoarders, liars. They have expandable cheeks. That chipmunk is evil!
Good one, Gretch. You really had me there.
Aw, he's just a cute chipmunk. All he wants is a little something to eat.
Be careful, Squirt. He's deadly. He has an appetite for blood!
Whoa, you really are afraid.
Chipper wouldn't hurt anyone. Would you, boy?
Come on, just feed the chipmunk. It won't bite.
Okay, I can do this.
The awesome power of friendship.
Here, little evil chipmunk. Nice evil chipmunk. Don't rip my arm off, little evil chipmunk. I can't do this!
Gretch, not the best hiding place.
Worst case of chipmunkophobia I've ever seen. Actually, it's the only one.
I told Dad to get the power windows. Hey, everybody, check me out.
What do you want, Buttsquat?
Where's McGee and the rest of Camp Loser Bottom? I want to see them drool over my new chopper.
We will never talk. We are like brick walls, iron girders, stone towers.
We gave a solemn promise not to reveal their whereabouts.
Really? Not even for club-sized Vital Baboon hair gel?
Screech Island camping trip.
Ha-ha! Gotcha, suckers!
Some brick wall.
What? It's hard to get decent hair products out here.
Here, Chipper, Chipper!
Stop feeding the chipmunk! It's evil, I tell ya!
But there's not much to eat around here.
Then let it starve!
Something with a mighty big appetite must live on this island.
And it's got chubby cheeks, beady little eyes, and a dried up black heart of evil!
Hey, bottom dwellers! Where are you? Come out wherever you are and see my insanely cool chopper! Is that you, McLoser, McGee? I sees you!
That, Campers, is a terror scream. We zombies hear a lot of those. Like I said, we hear a lot of those.
I'm out of here!
Oh, come on. Relax, Gretchen.
Here, Chipper, Chipper!
Our boat! Okay, that's not good.
Don't you see? It's one step ahead of us. We're trapped! Trapped, I tell ya!
Come on, Gretch, you gotta drop it. What is it, Squirt?
There's something there, and it's coming this way.
So why aren't we going the other way? Don't listen to it!
Guys, Chipper knows where it's safe.
Follow that chipmunk!
Guys, no! It's a trap! Wait for me!
He's gone. Anybody know where we are?
Hey, losers!
We're doomed!
Here, Chipper, Chipper!
He's a mad-eating machine!
Maybe it's not out for blood.
You were right, Gretch. It is an evil monster chipmunk from the underworld!
Ya think?
Okay, it's just the three of us. Okay, just the two of us. Okay, it's just me.
What about me?
Okay, Buttsquat, and what do you think we do about it?
I'll stay here and be the lookout while you go and rescue everyone?
Like I said, I'm all alone. Hey, Chipper, give me back my friends!
Okay, I'm done doing lookout. Come back and save me first. Hello? Hello?
I'm coming for you, Sawyer! Gotcha! Oh, whoops. I'm coming for the rest of you, Sawyer! Okay, now I got you. Squirt, get Buttsquat out of there. That chopper is our only way off the island.
About time. See ya, losers.
You guys take Sawyer. I'll hold off the rat. Yeah. Hey, look, a peanut! That'll teach you to mess with Camp Lakebottom!
dinner! Oh, right.
I bought us some time. Let's go!
Go where? That chipmunk had my rotors for dinner!
Do something, McGee!
How are we gonna fix those blades?
Like this? Thank you, Sawyer! Always happy to lend a hand. And a leg. Go, go, go!
Bad Tipper, bad!
He won't stop till he eats us all!
We're never gonna make it! We need to lose the dead weight!
Just feed the chipmunk. Just feed the chipmunk.
Just feed the chipmunk. Hey, Chipper. Hey, boy. Want a peanut? I did it! Now get off my helicopter!
Now that's the Gretchen we know and love. Yay, Gretchen!
You know, we'd still be trapped on Screech Island if it wasn't for my awesome new helicopter!
Time to feed another rodent.
Oh! Enough with the peanuts!